It's not bad.
Mummy, come on, Mummy. The doctor is going to help you. Hi,
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
We're out at the moment. We just had our vaccinations. I've had my whooping cough and flu vaccination at the GP, the doctors, and Maya, she's 2.5 now, so she's entitled to have her flu nasal spray, so it protects us from flu, which is really good because it's really serious and it's really dangerous if Maya catches it because she's so young, and it's also really dangerous if you're pregnant and if you catch the whooping cough. Maya, you okay now? You okay now? Yeah.
Diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, and polio. Yeah, all combined into one.
Yeah.
Balloon. Okay.
It's not bad.
Mummy, come on, Mummy. The doctor is going to help you.
Yes.
There we go.
Thank you.
If it makes you feel a bit tired, a bit achy, it can do that for the next, couple of days, a few days or so. Influenza, which is that one.
Done now, Maya? Finished. To cheer Maya up, I've taken her to the park. Yeah. You feeling better now?
Yeah.
Yeah. In case, it's just good to have it on a Friday if you can, or have it on a day or 2 days where you're free. So yeah, we're just walking. We're gonna walk. We'll say bye.
Bye.
Bye.